Christy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would do a haul video for you guys. It's been a while since I've done one. It's been a while since I've done any shopping, but I did pick up a few new things this month, so I thought I would share those with you and kind of show you what will be coming up on my channel before I organize these and put them away. So first off, I just want to say I know that my videos have been a little bit light this summer. There's been a few reasons. First of all, it's summer break, so my kids are home a lot more, so I don't really have much quiet time for filming, so it's kind of just been, you know, as I can. Also, we went on vacation for a little while. We went to Gettysburg for 4 days, which was super nice. My husband and I had been there before we were even dating, actually, on a class trip. We were there, so it was like 20 years ago, and it was super fun, and our kids are really into history as well, so it was super fun to take them and, you know, get to experience that once again with them. And then when we got back, we had a little bit of tragedy in our family. A very good friend of ours passed away. He'd been battling cancer valiantly for 2 years, but then he kind of passed away very unexpectedly. We thought he had, you know, months and months to go, but he kind of just took a really quick downhill turn. And his 2 boys are best friends with my youngest 2 boys, so our families are very, very close, and that was a real hard time for us. So it's just been a lot of things going on. In addition to that, this big, beautiful window that makes it so nice for me to be able to film with natural light also makes it super hot in my craft room in the summer, and we don't have air conditioning, so some days it's just been too unbearable to be in here, to be honest. But anyway, that's a long ramble to explain why I haven't been putting out as many videos this summer, but that's typically how it goes on my channel in the summer anyway, like I said, with my kids on summer break. So anyway, I'm going to jump into the haul video for you guys, show you guys what I picked up. Almost everything is from Butterfly Reflections Inc., which is my favorite online store, and I'll have everything linked in the description bar below if you're interested in picking any of it up for yourself. So I'm going to set this off to the side and go through things one at a time. The first thing that I picked up was from Neat and Tangled, from the brand new release. This is So Foxy. Super cute little set here with the little fox and his banner. Kind of reminds me of the koala that they came out earlier in the year. And you've got all these little sentiments that you can add in there, and a little butterfly and a heart. Just makes it really cute to do quick and easy cards, and I thought it would be really good for also the St. Jude's Children's Drive that I do for Valentine's Day at the beginning of every year, but additional cards as well. I just thought this is a good one because I'll get a lot of use out of it. Also from Neat and Tangled, from the new release, I picked up the Later Alligator. I thought these were so cute, these little alligators or crocodiles. They could be either. Obviously, you've got the sentiments for both. You've got see you later alligator, in a while crocodile, have a snappy birthday, and then the yes sentiment. You've got the really cute little alligators. I love this little frog stuffed animal. There's a cute little snail and a really sweet little bird, a fish balloon, and then you've got some other little accessories as well. I thought it was super, super cute. Can't wait to play with that. And I always pick up the matching dies if I can. You guys know that. Actually, the next set that I got, I do not have the matching dies for, and that is the Mama Elephant Bookworm. And the only reason I did not get the dies is because they've been out of stock. So there was like a problem with the order. They canceled it, I guess, and refunded the money back to Vanessa because they were just, I guess this was a super popular set, and no wonder. It's adorable and great for any book lover. And you guys know me being a reader and a writer, this set just had to come home with me. So I will be picking up the dies at a later date, but I wanted to get the set while I could get my hands on it. It's got these adorable little critters, and they're all reading books. You've got a little bookworm, and I love this little guinea pig. There's lots of stacks of books and different books, an apple and a pen. Super, super cute. Love this one. To go along with that, I also got the Goodreads, which has all the different sentiments that go along with the bookworm set. You've got all kinds of stuff from birthday to friendship to, you know, things that you can add to a bookmark, or, you know, anything that has to do with reading and learning, your tops in my book. So all kinds of really great sentiments that will go along with the bookworm stamp set. And also to go along with that, I got the bookmark dies so that you can make bookmarks. I have a lot of friends who are writers and readers, and I thought this would be good to have on hand to make quick and easy gifts for people, and also for children. I think it's a great gift to add inside a card, or if you give a book as a gift, which in my opinion, books are always the best gifts. So I thought that would be fun to have. Also from Mom Elephant, the other set that I just thought was so adorable was this Dandelion Wishes. It's got these cute little bunnies and this little squirrel that is adorable. There's a little raccoon and a bumblebee and this little mouse that's kind of flying away on the dandelion right there. And then you've got some extra little accessories. Oh, there's a ladybug there as well, some mushrooms. Really, really cute for scene cards. And I did pick up the matching dies for that as well. Two quick dies from Lawn Fawn. I got the porthole frames. So this will just die cut, you know, just this edge with the little holes in it so it looks like a porthole. That works really good around like a circle die cut for a focal panel. And then I also got the lift the flap circles, which can coordinate with this. So you have this little window that flips up, and I actually have a card coming on Friday that will be using this. Not the porthole frames, just the lift the flap circles. I wanted to do something a little bit different. So look forward to that. All the rest of the stuff I got, well, no, almost all the rest of the stamps and dies I got were from Hello Bluebird. This one is from the previous release. This one is the, I think it's called Tropical Leaves. It's not marked on here, but I believe that's what it was called. And this one will just die cut all these different tropical leaves, and there's some flowers as well. And I thought that would be fun to have, to just make some quick and easy die cuts that would go along with the Jungle Littles that I have, and also other cards. The elephants would work good with this as well. And then the other stamp sets that I got were from their new release. So I got this is the Frames 2, I believe it's called. So I got the previous one that was released with the last release, and then this is the newest one, and it has the scalloped edge and then the stitching line on the inside as well. And then I believe this part here is a separate die cut, so you can use them exclusively, or you can use them in combination with each other. And then you have the thanks die cut, and then all these little flowers and leaves. So that would be nice for cards. I got the fishing hole with the cute little fisherman guy that you can put in the boat, or you can have him sitting on a bank. And then there's the little kitty, which is so adorable. And you've got your fishing line and all these great little fish, and the really sweet little duck. And then some different accessories, the lotus flower, or not a lotus, water lily. And you've got the lily pads and the cattails, little, I am not talking well today. I have been working a lot of hours lately. The little dragonfly, there we go. So you can really make some cute scenes and some great masculine cards with this set. I thought that would be really cute, and I did get the matching dies. And then also from Hello Bluebird, I got the bees. This is Be Happy. I thought these little bees were so sweet. I just love their little faces. Hello Bluebird has just stolen my heart recently. I have fallen in love with all their little images, and I can't get enough of them. So I thought this would be a fun one to have, because you've got the florals, you've got the strawberries, you've got the graphic shapes with the hexagons. And then of course the cute little bees, which just make it so versatile. You have a little queen crown right here so they can have a queen bee, and then you've got the little honey pot, which I think is so adorable, and some really great sentiments that go along with the bee theme. And I got the matching dies, of course. And then well, I'm just going to do this one anyway ahead before I do the last couple things. But this one I actually got. This is the Moose and Friends, and during the 30-day the Daily Marker 30-day coloring challenge, I was coloring all Hello Bluebird images because I just wanted to be able to have a bunch of images that would work together on cards. I always end up with all these images, and a lot of times I don't even use them after the fact because they don't necessarily go together in a card. So I used all Hello Bluebird because I wanted to have things that I could mix and match and make quick cards. And if you watch my last one set 4 ways video, I used some of my images up in that video, and I've got a lot more to go. I think I will do another one set 4 ways because some of these are from the same set as well. That, you know, they're all Hello Bluebird, but some of them are also from the same sets of Hello Bluebird. But anyway, while I was doing that 30-day marker coloring challenge, it caught the eye of Katie, the owner, and she was so thoughtful and sent me a $25 gift certificate to spend in her shop because she really enjoyed the images that I was sharing. So I picked up this set with that, and it is the Moose and Friends, like I said, and it is the cutest. Oh my gosh, I am like freaking out about this set. It has so many adorable images. I've already stamped like 3 sheets of it because I want to just have fun coloring it because it's just so cute. But anyway, you have this adorable little moose, and you have a couple of owls, a couple of skunks, this really sweet beaver, which may just be my favorite image of the whole set, and then a sweet little bunny. You've got the tree stump, you've got a cake, you've got a cupcake, you've got mushrooms, and all kinds of just like accessory images. If you follow my channel, you know I love to do scene cards, and I love to, you know, kind of add a lot of images and kind of fill it up and make it look nice and full and have a lot to look at. And this set, oh my gosh, there's no way, I don't think you could ever even use all these images on one card. So I'm gonna get tons of use out of this. And then of course you have the hooray and the happy balloons as well, and then there's a heart and circle balloon here. Just so, so cute. I absolutely love this set. And I did pick up the matching dies while I was getting that. The last 3 things that I got were pattern papers. The first one is from Bo Bunny. This is the Little Wonders. Super tiny there, but oh, it's here as well. Little Wonders. And I just really thought the color palette was really pretty, and I thought it would go really good with that Moose and Friends stamp set, as well as others that I have, just with the woodland critters. I really liked how there's some boyish color palettes, and then there's also some girlish ones, so you really get a lot of options in one paper pad, and there's several sheets of each design there. And then I also got the Echo Park Have Faith, and I thought the color palette for this one was really pretty as well. I love those florals. Echo Park always is excellent for pattern paper. If you're somebody that's like kind of looking to start out with pattern paper pads and you don't know which company to choose, Echo Park is always a good bet. And I love that they're double-sided, so if one sheet isn't like your favorite, you can turn it over and use the B side, which is probably what I'll do with the last one, which is Sweet Baby Girl. And obviously this is a baby theme one. They have a boy and a girl set. I don't even know anybody right now that's due with a little girl, so I probably won't use this for that, but all the B-sides are so pretty. Look at this floral here. It's just so sweet, and I love this print as well. some polka dots. There's some hippos and tutus, which is really cute. But if you can't use that, there's like a brown polka dot on the back. And there's some stripes, so I may not use the pink feet, but there's that. And so on. Almost every single one. I think this is the only one it has baby carriages and bottles, so either way it's going to be a baby theme. But you know, it's always good to make a few baby cards and have them on hand anyway, so I'll still get some use out of that eventually. But anyway, really cute designs and a really sweet color palette, and you get, I think, 2 of every design as well in this one. So that's everything. That's all I got for the month of July. But yeah, really fun stuff that I'm really excited to play with. I thought I got some really good stuff this month, so I'm excited. So if there's anything that I picked up that you're excited to see, leave me a comment down below. Tell me what you would like me to use in an upcoming video, and I'll try to do that for you guys. So I hope you've all been having a really nice summer. Thank you guys so much for watching and sticking with me, and I'll talk to you again soon. Thank you again. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed today's video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would love to have your support. Here's 2 extra videos you may also enjoy, so hopefully those will tide you over until the next one. Until then, I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye-bye.